Hey there, homeowners! Today, I'm going to show you how to get your oven door glass sparkling clean in just a few simple steps. Keeping your oven door glass clean not only improves the look of your kitchen, but also enhances the efficiency of your cooking. Over time, the glass can become cloudy and stained from food spills, grease, and baked-on grime. But don't worry, I've got you covered. First off, here are the materials you'll need: baking soda, white vinegar, dish soap, microfiber cloths or soft sponges, a razor blade or scraper, optional, water, a spray bottle, and rubber gloves, optional. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepping the oven. Before you start, make sure your oven is off and completely cool. Trust me, you don't want to be cleaning a warm or hot oven. Step 2. Remove loose debris. Grab a dry microfiber cloth or sponge and wipe away any loose debris, crumbs, or grease on the door. This will make the deeper cleaning process much easier. Step 3. Create a baking soda paste. Baking soda is your best friend here. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water to create a thick, spreadable paste. Step 4. Apply the baking soda paste. Spread the baking soda paste evenly across the oven door glass, focusing on areas with heavy buildup. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes. This will help lift grime and grease. Step 5. Scrub the glass. Once the paste has done its magic, use a damp microfiber cloth or sponge to scrub the glass in circular motions. For those tough spots, use a razor blade or scraper at a 45-degree angle, but be gentle to avoid scratching. Step 6. Rinse with vinegar. Fill a spray bottle with white vinegar and spritz it over the glass. The vinegar will react with any remaining baking soda, creating a light fizzing action. Wipe away the mixture with a clean, damp cloth. Step 7. Wash with dish soap. For a final touch, use warm water and a few drops of dish soap to wash the glass. This will remove any lingering grease and leave the surface streak-free. Step 8. Polish with a microfiber cloth. Dry the oven door glass with a fresh microfiber cloth. Buff the surface in small circular motions to remove any water spots and ensure a crystal clear finish. Optional cleaning between the oven glass. If your oven door has double-layered glass, grime can get trapped between the panels. If possible, unscrew the door, clean the interior glass as described, and reassemble. Always consult your oven's user manual before attempting this. A few additional tips. Regular maintenance. Wipe down your oven door glass weekly with a mixture of vinegar and water. Avoid harsh chemicals. Stick to natural solutions like baking soda and vinegar. Be patient. If there's a lot of grime, the cleaning process may take a few attempts. And there you have it. Cleaning your oven door glass doesn't have to be a tedious task. With these steps, you can restore the shine to your oven door, making it easier to see through and improving the look of your kitchen. Happy cleaning!